is lesson number 13, things you do at home. We have read, 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 write, write. You can study. You can work, work, work. You can play, play. You can sleep, sleep, sleep. You can cook, like flipping a pancake. Palm down, palm up. Cook, cook, cook. You can talk, talk. My thumb is in. Talk. You can go, go, go. Yes, go, go, go. Lead hand, crossing over, go, go. Some other words in this lesson are please. Nice one to know. Please. At. Lead hand, at my support hand, at. And lastly, home, home. Chin to ear, home, home. Okay, what am I asking? Well, which is it? Tell me in comments. See you in lesson 14.